So here we are in Nice, France. Our first subject is the marina in Nice, which is astonishing. Here we are setting up our studio, showing them how to play on the base of their canvas doing collage without any concept or any idea of how it's going to turn out in the end. It's so exciting and so playful for them to work on the canvas without thinking about the finished product. This is the workshop in process as they find their collage papers and start to think about just enjoying working on the surface. And then we can move from there, utilizing those elements to help enhance our figurative abstract painting. What an amazing group taking the opportunity to participate in a workshop with some ideas that are very foreign.